Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. So I just went grocery shopping. I did a grocery haul already on my channel, so if y'all haven't checked that out, that video is already up. So like I said, I just went grocery shopping and I want to clean out the refrigerator, throw out anything that may have expired or stuff that we're just not eating, and I'm just gonna make room for the new groceries. So but yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be spraying down the refrigerator with this Clorox Scentiva disinfectant spray. It's the grapefruit scent, and y'all, it smells really good. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of talking in this video. I just want to put on a little music for y'all while I clean my refrigerator. So but before I get too far into this video, I would like to say hello to any new subscribers that I may have. Thank y'all for stopping by and support my channel, and I also want to thank my old subscribers as well for sticking around and support my channel. I really appreciate all of y'all. So but yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
So y'all, while I was editing, I noticed that this part is like super bright, and I didn't realize until after the fact. So I do film with my iPhone 7 Plus, and I guess my brightness was like going in and out. I'm not sure what it was doing, but I guess at certain angles it brightens up and then it goes back down. I'm not sure what's going on, but y'all won't be able to see this part is clear, so I just thought I'd point that out. So y'all, that's all I have for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next one.